Hello everyone! Day by day, the crypto market continues to expand, drawing in more traders and investors. Right now, Bitcoin is breaking new all-time highs, while Ethereum is climbing back toward its peak levels. This momentum often signals the approach of an alt season, a period when alternative coins experience rapid growth. Importantly, we are still in the early stages of this cycle, which creates a unique opportunity. We can begin building portfolios with assets that have not yet shown significant growth and position ourselves ahead of the curve. Volatility has returned to the market, making it possible to profit from short-term trades as prices swing up and down. But for many beginners or even experienced traders, volatility also comes with risk. Acting too late, entering the wrong positions, or misreading the market can quickly lead to losses. This is where technology makes all the difference. To reduce the guesswork and help traders make more confident decisions, I want to introduce you to a powerful platform that transforms how we analyze and act in the market. The platform is called Trade Studio, an advanced insight system built to analyze the crypto market in real time. Unlike traditional signal providers, Trade Studio is not about giving you a random buy or sell alert. Instead, it's a complete intelligence platform designed to track and process vast amounts of market data, covering over 500 assets simultaneously, and deliver actionable insights at lightning speed. This means you don't just get told what's happening, you understand why it's happening and how to take advantage of it. Most tools on the market can only handle limited analysis, often lagging behind when conditions change quickly. Trade Studio, however, is engineered for ultra-fast processing. It monitors candlestick patterns, trading volumes, market balance, RSI, volatility indicators, and dozens of other data points in real time, transforming them into clear, timely insights. This speed and depth ensures you can identify opportunities the moment they appear and act before the rest of the market catches on. Now, I want to make something very clear. Trade Studio is not just another signal bot. This isn't about handing you a random buy or sell notification and hoping for the best. Instead, Trade Studio gives you the full picture. You can view custom charts, track market data, and even dive into advanced indicators like RSI, volume analysis, and volatility, all within one platform. The beauty here is that you don't need to spend hours flipping through charts or juggling tools. Trade Studio condenses all of that into a clear, easy-to-understand dashboard so you can focus on trading smarter. Here's what makes it powerful. All of Trade Studio's data is pulled directly from Bybit, one of the world's leading exchanges. The system monitors candlestick charts, trends, and patterns in real time. Then, the AI processes this data and highlights which assets are moving in sync with broader market conditions. And the best part? You can filter and customize this. For example, if you only want to see tokens that meet certain conditions, like matching a trend, hitting a certain volume, or crossing a key indicator, you can. That means you're not overwhelmed with noise, you only get the opportunities that match your strategy. Even though there are multiple stages of analysis happening behind the scenes, it all happens almost instantly. Trade Studio is built to deliver insights faster than any other bot or tool out there. And in crypto, speed is everything. Being just a few minutes early to a trend can mean the difference between catching a big move or missing it entirely. This speed advantage is one of the biggest reasons traders are turning to Trade Studio. It gives you that edge you simply can't get from manual research. Now, I know what many of you are probably thinking. Okay, but how do I know these insights are reliable? That's the best part. Trade Studio is completely transparent. Along with each insight, you can actually see the data and indicators that the platform used to reach that conclusion. Everything updates in real time, so if you want to double-check a signal or dig deeper into the numbers yourself, you can. This builds trust, because you're not just taking someone's word for it. You're seeing the same raw market data that Trade Studio is analyzing. Trade Studio shines because it combines the speed and intelligence of AI with a full suite of professional-grade trading tools. It doesn't replace your decision-making, it enhances it. You get dashboards with historical charts, custom filtering options, and live indicators that track the market's pulse in real time. All of this removes the heavy lifting of monitoring hundreds of tokens on your own. Instead of drowning in data, you get clarity, so you can focus on making the right moves. And here's something I personally love. Trade Studio isn't just software, it's a community. Every insight, chart, and analysis is also shared in their Discord channel, where traders discuss opportunities openly, compare strategies, and even alert each other to moves they're seeing. That means you're never trading alone. You've got a network of like-minded people who are all using the same powerful tools, sharing their perspectives, and helping each other grow. That kind of collaboration is priceless, especially if you're just starting out. Getting started is super simple. You can try Trade Studio free for 7 days, plenty of time to explore the features, test the insights, and see results for yourself. After that, the subscription is only $20 a month, which is crazy low for what you're getting. Just remember, this is an early stage price. The team has already said the cost will rise later as they add more features, so if you're thinking about trying it, now is the time to lock it in. Registration takes less than a minute. Sign up with your name, email, and password, choose your payment method, and you're in. Once you're subscribed, you'll immediately get access to the Discord community, the Insights dashboard, and the live alerts that run around the clock. And I really recommend checking out the signal history inside, because when you see how accurate most of these insights have been, you'll understand why this tool is a game changer. So, if you're ready to take the guesswork out of trading and trade with confidence, give Trade Studio a try. The link is in the description below this video. Explore it, use the free trial, and see just how much easier and smarter trading becomes when you've got the right tools and community on your side. That's all from me. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you don't miss new videos. See you in the next one.